determine the temperature distribution in a one-dimensional fin as shown in the below figure. There is a heat generation, uniform heat inside the wall of 500 watt per meter cube. See, here you can see the figure. So they told that determine the temperature distribution. We are going to calculate the temperature in a one-dimensional field since it is a one-dimensional. And they told that some heat is generated inside the fin that is equal to 500 watt per meter cube. Now, whatever the thing you are seeing this one, this is nothing but fin. And sure, and whatever the thing you are seeing outside with some that is with some inclined lines, that is nothing but insulation. Unsure. Now you tell, when the fin is insulated, then heat will be transferred from fin to the outside.
No, sir.
The fin is completely insulated. Unsure. So that is nothing but there is no convection. That is nothing but the fin is not subjected to surrounding temperature. Unsure. So again here the convection, there is no convection transfer. So therefore again here stiffness matrix KH is equal to 0. So in previous problem they told that directly in the question they told that neglecting the convection. But here the inclined lines is nothing but the fin is completely insulated. There is no chance of coming the heat from fin to the outside. So therefore there is no convection. Unsure. So therefore here in this problem also we are not going to calculate the stiffness matrix for convection KH. Unsure. So you can see here, since fin is completely insulated, convection matrix KH is equal to 0. The fin is not subjected to surrounding temperature. Therefore there is no convection. Therefore KH is equal to 0. So remaining is same procedure. So they have given. Now we are going to convert the given problem into FEM model. So if you convert, then we will get two nodes, node 1, node 2. At node 1, temperature T1. At node 2, temperature T2. And having the total length L is equal to 0.09 meters. And they have given thermal conductivity K is equal to 400 watt per meter degree Celsius. So and they have given they have given the circular cross section and they have given the diameter is equal to 0.02 meter. Now you can see the fin is completely insulated and some heat is generated, that is Q dash is equal to 500 watt per meter cube. Now same procedure, we are going to calculate the stiffness matrix for conduction. KE is equal to KA by L 1 minus 1 minus 1 into 1. Substitute A, K, substitute A. Since they have given diameter, we can calculate area. Area is equal to pi by 4 d square. So you will get the area. So we got here, we got 3.14 into 10 to the power of minus 4 meters square. Then divided by L. L is 0.09 meters. Since they are given K in meters, Q in meters, everything we are calculating in meters only. So then we will get K matrix. Now stiffness matrix is over. Next we are going to calculate the force matrix. Force vector due to heat generated. So this is the formula. A Q dash. Hello. So now we have calculated the K matrix. We got K matrix here. Then we are going to calculate the force matrix. Force vector due to heat generated. A Q dash L divided by 2. 1 into 1. So we have calculated A. Q dash the given heat generated L divided by 2, then we'll get the force matrix. Then we are going to take the equilibrium equation. K into T is equal to F. Substitute K matrix, substitute T matrix and F matrix. So now in this problem also, in the question we know the value of T1. T1 is equal to 80 degrees Celsius. So therefore eliminate T1, that is first row, first column. Remaining you calculate, then we will get the T2. So we will get T2 is equal to 90 degrees Celsius. So in this way, we are going to calculate the temperature distribution in the fin and it is completely insulated. That is nothing but the fin is not subjected to the outside temperature. Once it is not subjected to surrounding temperature, there is no convection matrix, that is KH is equal to 0.